अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन व हज़रात,
Assalamu alaikum Nazreen, how are you?
मैं हूँ आसिम अजहर।
And I'm Rachel Vikaji and we are your hosts today, except that
आज की ताज़ा खबर ये है कि विद द होस्ट, बट सवाल आज भी हमसे पूछे जाएंगे। हमारे पास गेस्ट हैं मारिया। ओवर टू यू मारिया।
Hi. Okay, I won't be in this video, but
Sure.
so guys, we just like to ask you some questions. You know, like tell us about your Coke Studio experience. Like, how does it feel to be performing at the biggest stage in Pakistan?
oh, you want me to begin? Okay, it's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
It's really fun. I don't know, it's just this is my 6th year, so it feels very homely. It's very nice because I know these people. We eat together, we work together. हम rehearsals करते हैं, तो you know it's great because we're doing the same thing, and then when the recording time comes, we're doing it again. You know, so it's not. The feeling doesn't change, but it's like okay, finally we gotta knock this out now, you know.
Alright.
But it's a great experience.
Not nervous anymore. Not
I mean, I get nervous. I don't get nervous for backing anymore. I get nervous for main vocals. Yeah.
And what about you?
I mean something very opposite to what she said, because you know she's been doing it for like 6 years now. I did Coke Studio the first time last year,
Yes.
and I was 18 at that time, and it was a huge deal for me. I remember I was in America doing shows, and I got the call, and they said, you know, you'd be doing Coke Studio. I was like, okay, great. And the next day they're like, okay, you won't be doing Coke Studio. I was like, okay, fine.
Right? Wow.
And then they're like, okay, you're doing Coke Studio again. I was like, pakki baat hai na? And then that was a huge roller coaster for me.
There's
because
like a lot of
I went like,
emotions.
yeah, ऐसे गया था मैं यूं करके।
Aye.
But then I finally came back. I cancelled everything because it was once in a lifetime opportunity. ठीक है। I was very nervous, but एक बात मेरे अंदर है कि when I'm nervous, I am more confident. I'm like, I have to do this, you know. So like Rachel says कि before the shoot I was someone else. I was just and when the shoot started I was just flirting with the band, and
Oh,
I was
wow.
just,
That
में आ गया
escalated
था।
quickly.
yeah, exactly, that escalated quickly. But then again, I wasn't expecting to be a part of Coke Studio season 9, because
Okay.
usually when you do a season as a main vocalist, आप फौरन अगले season में नहीं आते. It's something, you know, जो करते हैं. But somehow
You're doing it again.
I'm doing it again, and I'm very very thankful to be in a place like this. And you know, the songs release. I don't know when this blog will be out, but the songs releasing, Nawazish hain. I'm very excited.
Today, actually.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
today
it is
it's releasing today. So every time I'm nervous, and I get the butterflies, and I love the feeling.
So you can't wait to watch it
Yeah.
as soon as it releases. You must be the youngest guy on Coke Studio.
I was last year the youngest guy, and I think there's a girl who's I think 17 this year.
Really?
So I held the record for 1 year.
Okay.
For 1 year I held the record.
Who's
and
17?
I think Dania.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because when I got to know that.
मैं उसका शनाख्ती कार्ड check करूँगा।
I know
The
she-
youngest Pakistani in
yeah.
Coke Studio.
Shiroz?
No, we're the same age. I
Okay.
think we're the same age. But yeah, I was the youngest vocalist to feature. लेकिन मैं उसका शनाख्ती कार्ड जरूर चेक करूँगा और अपना भी चेक करवाऊँगा.
Yeah, just to make sure.
Just to make sure, but it's amazing. It was, you know, a lot. I sometimes I think about it. यार, what are other 19-year-olds doing right now?
Hey, believe it or not, before you and Sarah, I was the youngest.
Really? तो बस हम एक दूसरे का
Both
रिकॉर्ड
have
तोड़ते
held the
रहते हैं.
records, yeah.
Yeah.
Keep breaking, guys. Alright, so just tell us, like, how long have you been into music? You know, how long have you been doing it, Rachel?
Always, I guess. I mean, there's a video of me at 4 years old with a pretend mic saying, "I'm the best singer in the house." Which
That's
is
funny. I wasn't
Yeah.
always into music. I mean, I was, but never into singing. Never into instruments. I was always into dancing.
Oh, wow.
I was that kid of the family
Okay.
that used to dance in every.
जो निकाल
event.
के dinner
हाँ
parties पे
हाँ
make
बिल्कुल
them
बिल्कुल.
dance, you
यूं
know.
फेंकते थे इसको, चलो
Like
नाचो.
in those commercials जो cooking oil के होते हैं.
I used हर साल मेरा एक स्पेशल गाना होता था जो आता था.
अच्छा.
और मैं उस पर डांस करता था. एंड सो मेरा सबसे पहले ये इंटरेस्ट था, एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ इट चेंज्ड. आई ऑलवेज से दिस. आई थिंक द टर्निंग पॉइंट वाज व्हेन माय पेरेंट्स गॉट मी एन MP3 प्लेयर. तो आई आस्क्ड माय फ्रेंड कि यू नो यार, मेरे पास तो कंप्यूटर में गाने नहीं है, मुझे कुछ गाने डाल दो. उसने, अल्लाह उसका भला करे, इतने अच्छे गाने डाल दिए उसने. तो मैं वही सुनता गया, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू
That's
म्यूजिक.
cool.
And that's how you started taking
Yep.
And that's awesome. Tell us about your favorite bands. Favorite singers, favorite songs.
So many different things. I don't have.
Rachel, एक मिनट, एक breaking news हमारे पास आ गई है ना?
अच्छा, breaking
I'm just
news.
kidding. Please continue.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज ये है कि ये लोग कुछ सॉलिड नहीं कह सकते. नहीं, I mean I love God, all the oldies as well. You know, Ella Fitzgerald and the Beatles and Pink Floyd. I love Alan Parsons these days. I'm loving Alan Parsons. I'm just listening to Alan
you like
Parsons.
classical music?
And Nusrat के भी काफी गाने हैं, and yeah, it's all over the place. I don't have. You know, लोग से पूछते हैं ना, they have like 3 top answers. I've never been able to have that for anything. Anything.
And that's good. Like you have.
I don't have a favorite. anything.
I mean, by the names, कुछ काफी. I'm embarrassed to say, मुझे पता भी नहीं है काफी नाम. So you.
Michael Jackson, I love Michael Jackson, and you must know.
I know Michael Jackson. I know, but.
What about you?
He was definitely growing up. Like we would family में बैठ के we would watch his videos like a movie. You know, listen to the songs.
Yeah,
and stuff.
I think I really got into Michael Jackson when he passed away, and उसके बाद I started researching. But I'll be honest, I've always had a very commercial listening. I've always had very mainstream listening. So growing up, I used to listen to a lot of Fakhir, Harmoon, and I used to listen to a lot of Sajad Ali sir. He's one of my idols. जो उन्होंने I think उन्होंने पाकिस्तानी म्यूजिक में हर किस्म का म्यूजिक किया है. You know, he's done silly music. That's Abrar.
Oh. No,
cut this part. Sorry,
It's not
Sujat
getting
sir.
your dough.
अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो I apologize.
Well, okay, then another Pani da Bulbula is also him.
It is also, but then
But,
again, Nusrat Ali Khan sahab.
Kid.
That's him.
That's Sajad Ali.
Yes, that's him. So, or English में, you know, I used to listen to Michael Jackson, and मेरे time पे there was Justin Timberlake,
Oh yeah.
Usher, Chris Brown, and all these people, Jason Mraz, Ed Sheeran. तो ये सारे,
Sheeran's
I
yeah,
actually heard
I actually
your
know the rap
cover
bit.
of
Yeah.
the 18.
yeah, that's
And
वो मैंने.
I love the way how you mixed Urdu with English.
Yes.
And, you know, was that your idea? Like.
Yes, that was my idea. I didn't have a team with me at that time, so that was my.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it was my idea. Because I remember I heard the song and I was like, yeah, this has such an amazing message.
Yeah.
How cool would it be to have an Urdu version, because so many people, they don't get the message behind it, you know. So that's how that came about, and I just did that. Or I think that was like my first step into like the mainstream audience, because somehow Ed Sheeran saw it and he tweeted about it. And
He
it-
did?
Yeah,
Wow.
he
Which
did. Yeah.
songs was this?
The 18. And
Okay,
they
okay.
say she's in the class 18. That
Ah.
one, yeah. So I did Urdu remix to it.
Cool.
Could
Yeah.
you like jam it at the end of this?
Yeah,
You know,
of
a
course.
little bit?
Of course,
I
of
love
course.
that.
You know,
Yeah.
sing?
Yeah, of course, Ed Sheeran. Yeah, of course.
I know the rap part. We can do.
Oh, you do? Wow. We'll try that. We'll try that.
Yeah, we'll try that right after
Try that.
this. Tell us about your hobbies.
Hobbies: singing, acting, photography.
Not social media.
Not social
Yeah,
media.
I heard that on the show.
Animals, nature. I don't get enough greenery in Karachi. I just went to Hunza and Skardu. I tell you, since then the mountains have been calling for me. I came back, and for a week, every night I was dreaming about mountains.
Wow.
Wish
That's,
we had them here in Karachi.
Yeah.
but me, wow. Sports.
Oh, I do improv too. Improvised theatre.
Oh.
Oh, nice. So mine, सबसे top of the list sports.
Sport.
Cricket
Oh,
and
nice.
football. Yeah, I used to play cricket for PIA
Achha, you
under
did?
16. Yeah, तो मतलब
Oh wow! Like,
I'm a pretty
did
big
you
deal.
ever consider taking it up as a career?
I did at one point. Yeah, I was very into it, and but then I realized कि मतलब 20 करोड़ में से 11 select होंगे. So then I was like, yeah, छोड़ो उसको. But yeah, I did play under 16. I was a pretty big deal. So
Oh,
I
wow,
was
never
the
knew
big. I was
that.
the next. Inzamam. No, I'm just kidding. But I still love playing cricket. मैंने अपनी छोटी team बनाई हुई है
अच्छा.
with my friends, and we play hardball cricket, proper cricket every other week, just to fulfill my hobby. And I play Xbox a lot, and then music, and then I love traveling, and I'm lucky enough to do something that makes us travel as well.
You're recently in the US too, right? You had
Yeah,
different
I
shows.
was there 2 days ago. I had a few shows there, and I had a music video. We shot a music video there in LA It was my first time in
Is it
California.
out
man.
yet? Is it out?
No, it's not out. We just shot it.
Okay.
So
Congrats.
yeah, thank you. So definitely not going to put something out next to Coke Studio because obviously Coke and then there's. But after Coke Studio.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So why don't we just listen to you guys jamming? on
Sure.
that evening?
It's late in the evening, lost on the side. I've been sad with you for most of the night. Ignoring everybody here, we wish they would disappear. So maybe take a step down now. I don't wanna know again the head around. I want you to be my lady. Hold your body close. Take another step into the no man's land for the longest time, lady. I need your love and I'll set the tone. If you feel me falling, cause your head to toe. Oh, 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 oh. If you love me, come on, get involved. Be emotional, you from your head to toe. Oh, 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 oh. Say, oh, 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 oh. Say, oh, 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 oh. Louder. Oh, oh, oh. Say, oh. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Stop as the place, see things from the side of the stage, and the fire brigade comes in a couple of days. Until then, really got nothing to say, nothing to know, but something to drink, give me something to smoke. Let it go until the roads change. Say we found love in a little parade. No, I don't really know what you're supposed to say, but I'll just figure it out and hope and pray. I told her my name, I said it's nice to meet you. Then she handed me a bottle of water with tequila. I already know she's a keeper, just from this one small act of kindness. I'm in deep shit if anybody finds out. I meant to drive home, but I jumped on a bit down. So we don't have, we just sit on the couch. One thing led to another, now she's kissing my mouth. I need your love and come on, set the tone. If you feel you're falling, cause you let me know. Oh, 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 oh. If you love me, come on, set the ball. Feeling gushing to you from your head to toe. Oh, 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 oh. 1, 2, 3, say. Oh, 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 say. Oh, louder. Oh, say. Oh, nice. That was amazing, yaar. You know all of it. It's really cool. That's I
really
thought
cool.
his rap style was interesting, so I was like, chalo, seek
है ना
it.
British style में उसने it
तो-
was it's like
Then I tried it, I'm like, oh, I can do this.
singing rap.
Stop as
Singing
the
rap.
place, see things from the
देखा सब कुछ उसकी आंखों में फिर भी मुस्कान है थे निशान चेहरे पे होठों पे प्यास थी फिर भी उदास है And they say she's in the class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sinking and wasting, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to us. तो फिर जो कुछ भी हुआ उसको तू भूल जा. And she don't wanna go outside tonight क्योंकि है वो तन्हा कर खुदा पे भरोसा. It's too cold outside for angels to fly, for angels to fly, for angels to fly. Sing it. For angels to fly, for angels to fly, for angels to fly, for angels to fly.
Woo! Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
नहीं?
बिल्कुल.
हमारे है ये थी आपकी
I'm sorry, my co-host has done a few drugs on the side, and I think we're going to sign off now. Thank you very much.
ये थी आज की कुछ अहम खबरें। हमारे साथ रहने का बहुत शुक्रिया। मुझे और रेचल विकास जी को दी इजाजत।
Yes.
खुदा हाफिज।